Namaste everyone, a very warm welcome to one and all present here on this joyous occasion, our annual day celebration, Bharatiya Kala Vaibhav Itihasa Charitam.
I am Adya Mahesh, your host for tonight.
And I am Vidhan Rohit. Together we are honored to guide you through this evening of festivities, memories and celebration.
As Swami Vivekananda said, arise, awake and stop, not till the goal is reached. Today, we gather not only to celebrate the achievements of our school and students, but also to honor the rich heritage that define us. Now, I request all of you to focus your attention on the screen to witness the arrival and the welcoming of our chief guest.
To begin, let us welcome our esteemed chief guest who has graciously joined us for this special evening. The chief guest will now be escorted by the Gurukula batch band team, followed by a slow march by our junior council.
As part of this grand ceremony, the badges will be presented as follows. Our head girl Naishada will present the badge to our chief guest. Chirayu, our head boy, will present the badge to Director Ma'am, and Agastya Sharma, our sports captain, will present the badge to Principal Ma'am.
And now, to formally commence the evening, let us illuminate the event with the lighting of the lamp, signifying the dispelling of darkness through knowledge and wisdom.
जगमग होती प्रथमन मन है दीपक ज्योति सृष्टि तुझसे जगमग होती मधुर मधुर तेरे दीपक जल जीवन का पथ आलोकित कर मधुर मधुर तेरे दीपक जल जीवन का पथ आलोकित प्रथमन मन है दीपक ज्योति सृष्टि तुझसे जगमग होती सृष्टि तुझसे जगमग होती सृष्टि तुझसे जगमग होती सृष्टि तुझसे जगमग होती.
Let's welcome our dignitaries escorted by the junior council members with a warm round of applause. With the lamp lit and our hearts glowing with enthusiasm, it's time to begin this celebration.
And who better to do this than our beloved headmistress, Richa Ma'am. Please join me in welcoming her to deliver the welcome speech and introduce our esteemed chief guest.
Thank you, Adya. Namaste to one and all present here. Namaste. I, Richa Kharbanda, extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to everyone present here today for our much-awaited annual day celebration, Bharatiya Kala Vaibhav Itihas Charitam. First and foremost, I would like to extend my warm welcome to our guiding star, our respected Director Ma'am, whose vision continues to inspire us in every endeavor. Namaste, Ma'am. It is my privilege to also welcome our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Mudhu Mohan Sir, a retired IAS officer with a distinguished career spanning over 39 years. Sir, your remarkable contribution to administration, cultural preservation, and arts are truly aspiring and honor to celebrate today. Namaste, sir. I would like to warmly welcome our Administrator, ma'am, Shrimati Sunita Bandekar. Namaste, ma'am. Suchitra, ma'am. And I would like to welcome our Principal, Ms. Rupa, ma'am, who has been a pillar of strength and an unwavering source of guidance. Namaste, ma'am. We are deeply honored by the presence of our CBSE Principal, Shanti Sitaraman, ma'am, IG Principal, Mitali, ma'am, and Pre-Primary Coordinator, Archana, ma'am. Namaste, ma'am. Your leadership and dedication have been instrumental in shaping this institution's success. A very warm welcome to esteemed parents. You have been our strength and steadfast parents in this journey of nurturing and growth. Your presence here today motivates and encourages us immensely. Ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed an honor to have you all here today. Once again, namaste. Kindly request Akshay sir to escort our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Muthu Mohan, to the dais. Give a big round of applause. Sir, I humbly request you to take your seat. Before we proceed further, let me take a moment to highlight the illustrious achievements of Dr. Muthu Mohan sir. Born in Maski, Kalyan, Karnataka, Dr. Mohan sir, exemplary career as an IS officer has left an indelible mark on both governance and culture. Among his many contributions, he pioneered Karnataka's groundbreaking online auction system for agriculture procedure and revitalized iconic cultural events such as Mysore Dasara Utsav and Hampi Utsav. Sir's passion for the arts is truly extraordinary. A distinguished Hindustani classical vocalist trained under legendary maestros, he has graced some of the most prestigious platforms in India and globally. His achievements have been recognized with numerous accolades, including the Karnataka Rajyotsava Award, the Kempegowda Award, and many more. Sir, your presence today adds immense value to this celebration, and we are deeply honored to have you with us. With this, once again, I welcome everyone to an evening filled with vibrant performances, celebration, and joy. I request our Director Ma'am and Principal Ma'am to felicitate our esteemed Chief Guest, Dr. Muthu Mohan Sir. Thank you, everyone. After this warm felicitation, we are eager to hear the words of wisdom from our chief guest. Sir, the stage is yours.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahmaha, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Good evening, everybody. Namaste. My greetings to the founders of this institution and the chief of this institution, Dr. Sushila ji, the most respected principal of this institution, Shrimati Rupa ji, and dedicated teachers present here, and great parents who have given their children to this great institution, and my dear students who are very fortunate to undergo the training, great training of this under this institution's guidance. I am extremely today honored to be here with you all in this at this great moment as chief guest for this evening's function. And as I stand before you, I remember the long way which started from my rural background of Raichur district to this stage. I remember the pristine climate of my village, the rural background, pristine waters flowing in my village, wonderful hills of the village, and very vibrant temples of the village, and very innocent people of that village. Why I am telling is, that gave me strength, sufficient strength to travel a long way till this day. And it shaped my personality, it shaped me. The village, the rural background shaped me so that I can be before you today. It is in North Karnataka, a village called Maski. Maski is a village where we have Ashokan edicts. Till 1925, there were many edicts, Ashokan edicts, as history, I think when you study history, you will come to know. There were many edicts were found out in India, but nowhere nobody could make out that this belongs to Priyadarshi Ashoka. But only in Maski edict, rock edict, he has written, Deva Anampiya Priyadasi Ashoka, who preaches Dhamma. Dhamma is Dharma. So only after the discovery of Maski edict, the history came to know that Devanampiya was none other than Ashoka, the great Ashoka, who taught peace and serenity to this country. So I belong to that village. I am making out this point because this culture, which we inherit from our village, from our home, they shape our personality and they make us what we are today. As an administrator, I felt that this background helped me to discharge my duties and responsibility in a very befitting manner. And education and culture are two strong pillars for everybody's future. As students, you have to understand, if you depend merely on education, reading books and earning marks, it's of no use. And some people may say, some parents may say, that wasting time on culture, heritage, it means nothing. Only writing examinations, getting percentage, they shape the personality. So that is, I'm telling this because that is the general opinion amongst the parents. We should love our mother tongue, we should love our heritage, we should love our culture. I think many are from Karnataka also here. ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಮರಿಬಾರದು, ನಮ್ಮ ತನವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮರಿಬಾರದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮರಿಬಾರದು. ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಾಗಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಇಂಥ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಇಂಥ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವನ್ನು ಪಡೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬಂದು ಕೂಡಲೇ ದ ವೇ ದೇ ಇನ್ವೈಟೆಡ್ ಮೀ ವಿತ್ ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್. ಆನಂತರ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯ ಪ್ರತೀಕವಾದಂಥ ದೀಪದ ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲನೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಜವಾಗಿಯೂ ಈ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಭವಿಷ್ಯವನ್ನು ತಾವು ರೂಪಿಸ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಕೂಡ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇಷ್ಟೇನೆ, ನಾವು ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಕೇವಲ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಗತಿಯನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ವಾಂಗೀಣ ಪ್ರಗತಿಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಇರದಿದ್ದರೆ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಲಾರದು. ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನು ಲಲಿತ ಕಲೆಗಳು, ಸಂಗೀತ, ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ, ನಾನು ಬಂದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ನಾನು ಸಂಗೀತಗಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಸಂಗೀತ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯಗಳು ಒಬ್ಬ ಆಡಳಿತಗಾರನಾಗಿ ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಆಡಳಿತದ ಈ 39 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ನನ್ನ ಆಡಳಿತ ಸೇವೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನೇನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಎಂಥ ಕ್ಲಿಷ್ಟಕರ ಸನ್ನಿವೇಶವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಎದುರಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ಲಲಿತ ಕಲೆಗಳು ಕೊಡ್ತವೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಅವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಒಂದು ದಾರಿದೀಪವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕಾಪಾಡ್ತವೆ. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸಹನಾ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಈ ಲಲಿತ ಕಲೆಗಳು ನೀಡ್ತವೆ. ದೇ ಟೀಚ್ ಅಸ್ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ and they always guard us. They never allow us to drift from the ಸಾತ್ವಿಕ ಮಾರ್ಗ. ಸಾತ್ವಿಕ ಮಾರ್ಗದಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಆಚೆ ಈಚೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದರಿಂದಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಆಡಳಿತಗಾರರೇ ಆಗಿರಿ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಪ್ರಖ್ಯಾತ ವೈದ್ಯರೇ ಆಗಿರಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಏನೋ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಯೋ ಆಗಿರಿ, ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿಯೋ ಆಗಿರಿ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಗಿ, ಆದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಲಲಿತ ಕಲೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯ ರಕ್ಷಾ ಕವಚ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸದಾ ಕಾಪಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಿತ್ರರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ನೀವು ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೀಳರಿಮೆ ತಮಗೆ ಇರಕೂಡದು. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನೆವರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ಫೀರಿಯಾರಿಟಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್, ಯುವರ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್, ಯುವರ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ವರ್ಡ್ನೆಸ್, ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಫೀಲ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಗಾಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಯು ಸಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ amenities and richness, that's fine. You see that you grow to the expected heights and serve society, spread happiness. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಸಮಾಜದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಉಳಿದ ವರ್ಗಗಳಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯನ್ನು ಹಂಚಿ ನೀವು ಬೆಳೆಯಬಹುದು. ಆದರೆ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯ ನೀವು ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಲಲಿತ ಕಲೆಗಳ ಒಂದು ಇದರ ಸಹವಾಸವನ್ನು ನೀವು ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಬೆಳೆಯೋದಾದರೆ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಬೆಳೆಯಬಹುದು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಕಿವಿಮಾತನ್ನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಬಹಳ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ದೊಡ್ಡಬಳ್ಳಾಪುರದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಈ ಜನಜಂಗುಳಿಯಿಂದ ದೂರವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಶಾಂತವಾದ ಸ್ಥಳದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಇದೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಬಹಳ ಸುಂದರವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪರಿಸರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಇದು ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬಹಳ ದೈವಶಾಲಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಪುಣ್ಯವಂತರು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಈ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದಂಥ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸ್ತೇನೆ, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಈ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರೆದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪೋಷಕರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಾತುರರಾಗಿ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಾನು ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸುಶ್ರಾವ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಹಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಲು. ಸೊ ಅನೇಕ ರೀತಿಯ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಬೆಳೆಯುವ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮರವಾಗಿ ಈ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಲಾವಿದರಾಗಲಿ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸ್ಥಾನಗಳನ್ನು ಅವರು ಅಲಂಕರಿಸಲಿ, ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಉನ್ನತ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಬೆಳೆಯಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮದೇ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ನೀವು ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿರಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮಾತನ್ನು, ಕಿವಿ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ದಿನ ಇಷ್ಟು ಅದ್ಧೂರಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಚೌಡಯ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇವಲ ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಲಾವಿದನಾಗಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಕಲಾವಿದರಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಆದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ಇದು ಒಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಉತ್ಸಾಹದ ಚಿಲುಮೆಗಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನಡುವೆ ಚೌಡಯ್ಯ ಮೆಮೋರಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಜಗಜಿಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಶುಭವನ್ನು ಹಾರೈಸ್ತಾ, ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾತರರಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಡುವೆ ನಾನು ಭಾಷಣವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ನನ್ನ ಭಾಷಣವನ್ನು ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಇರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಕೂಡ ನನಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ. ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ನಡೆಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಪಾತ್ರ ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡದು. ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಗುರುವಿನ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಭಗವಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಜನ್ಮ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು, ಗುರು ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಜನ್ಮವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಪಾತ್ರ ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡದು. ಇಂಥ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದಂತಹ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ತಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ಯಾವುದದು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಪೀಠ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲಿ. ಒಂದು ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳಬಹುದು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳಿಗೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದದ್ದು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಇಡೀ ಜಗತ್ತು ಬಹಳ ಸ್ಪೀಡಾಗಿ ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಓಟ. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿದೆ ನಾನು ಬರುವಾಗ, ಸೀಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ಆತಂಕ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಓಟ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಈ ಧಾವಂತವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಮಾನಸಿಕ ತುಮುಲ, ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ನನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕವಿ ಒಬ್ಬನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಹೆನ್ರಿ ವಿಲಿಯಮ್ಸ್, ತಮಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದಿರಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇರ್. ಈ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ಬರೀ ಸ್ಪೀಡಾಗಿ ಓಡಿ ಹೋದರೆ ಈ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತುಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯವನ್ನು, ಈ ಜಗತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿದ್ಯಮಾನಗಳನ್ನು ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ಈ ನಿಸರ್ಗ ಸೌಂದರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಸವಿತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶಾಂತ ಮನಸ್ಥಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಹೊಂದಬೇಕು. ಆವಾಗ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸಾಧನೆಯ ಗುಟ್ಟು ಅಂದರೆ ಶಾಂತತೆ. ನಾವೇನಾದರೂ ಸಾಧಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಶಾಂತತೆ ಬೇಕು ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ. ಶಾಂತವಿದ್ದ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದದ್ದನ್ನು ಸಾಧಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಅವರಿಗೂ ಅವರ ಓಟದ ಸ್ಪೀಡನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡಿಸಬೇಕು. ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳು ಓಡೋರಿಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಓಡು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಓಡಿಸಬೇಡಿ. ಶಾಂತತೆಯಿಂದ ಅವರು ಸಮಾಜವನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸುವಂಥ ಮನೋಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ಬರಲಿ. ಈ ನಿಸರ್ಗವನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮನೋಧರ್ಮವನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೋಷಕರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿಕೊಂಡು, ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸುಶೀಲಾರವರಿಗೂ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರೂಪಾದೇವಿ ಅವರಿಗೂ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವರ್ಗಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನು ಬಯಸಿ ವಿರಮಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words that have truly set the tone for this evening.
With that, can I take a moment? I request parents, if you have a small child, please make them sit on the lap. I request parents, if you have a small child, please keep them on the lap. Thank you. Continue with that.
Up next, we invite our respected principal, ma'am, to present the annual report, a reflection of the milestones and accomplishments our school has achieved this year.
Namaste to one and all present here. Respected chief guest, director ma'am, distinguished parents, teachers and my dear students. It gives me immense pleasure to present the annual report of Vishwavidyapeeth for the academic year 2024-25. This report is a reflection of the achievements, initiatives and the milestone that we have accomplished as a school community. The inception of Vishwavidyapeeth group of schools took place on 29th October 2011 in the fond memory of late Srimati Chandramma and late Sri Y. Subbaraju, the two noble souls with the primary aim of imparting quality education to students and to serve humanity. This year, our students achieved remarkable board results with many emerging as subject toppers. Their dedication and hard work set a new benchmark, inspiring everyone to aim higher and reach for even greater success in the future. Our focus on holistic development has enabled students to explore the talent beyond academics. Sports achievements of our students added feathers to our cap, with exceptional performances at national, international, and even World Cup level. Their dedication, teamwork, and perseverance brought home the prestigious titles, inspiring the entire school community with their spirit of excellence and determination. Here are the glimpses of the innovative programs that took place this academic year. This year, we successfully implemented gamification to make learning more engaging and enjoying. The initiative has been proven effective in boosting the participation, teamwork, and concept retention. Our students actively participated in social responsibility programs such as Prajatantram, Nanna Samaja, Nanna Javabdari, My Society, My Responsibility, spreading the awareness about the environmental conservation and civic duties. We integrated math with carpentry and made math a lovable subject by turning abstract concepts into hands-on creations. This year, we successfully hosted the Model United Nation event where the students from various schools participated in debates on global issues. The event allowed students to develop skills in public speaking and critical thinking. We also hosted Pragna Pradipaha, the inter-school Sanskrit competition, where the event was a grand success, fostering the love for Sanskrit among students and highlighting its cultural significance. Upholding our cultural essence is a core principle at Isha Vidyapeeth. We organize the Koti Gita Lekhana Yagna, bringing together students, parents, and the staff to write verses from Bhagavad Gita, fostering deep spiritual connection. We also conducted the Yajurveda Parayanam, immersing participants in Vedic chanting and instilling the cultural pride, spiritual awareness, and timeless values. Here we have Aditi Simha of grade 8, who secured first place and 1 gold medal in Amarakosha chanting competition, and she'll be representing the national as well. At Vishwa Vidyapeeth, we believe in exploring knowledge beyond the classrooms. In this regard, students actively participated in Proto Village Festival, gaining insights into sustainable living and resilience. Additionally, we organized heritage walks to cultural significant sites, offering students a chance to connect with history and traditions. These experiences enrich their learning, broadening their perspectives and understanding of the world. VVP constantly innovates and thinks beyond the ordinary. I hope the parents agree with this. In line with this, Bharatiya Kala Vaibhav was celebrated, showcasing the rich cultural heritage of India. The students of VVP exceeded our expectation during their presentation and cultural program at Bharatiya Kala Vaibhava. Last year, we started the program called Back to Gurukula, reconnecting the students with traditional learning methods, and it continued this year with great success. Our experiential learning tour began with the trip to Leh Ladakh, and an upcoming tour to Himachal Pradesh will further enhance students' cultural and sustainable knowledge. These initiatives reflect our ongoing commitment to innovation and holistic education. A proud moment for VVP as we received the State Award from the Federation of Private School Association for Excellence in Academic Achievement, Social Achievement, and Sports Achievements. Yes, it's time to acknowledge our dedicated staff whose hard work and passion inspire our students daily. Their efforts play a key role in the success of our initiatives and in maintaining VVP's excellence. Strong parent-school collaboration is ensured at VVP through regular PTMs, interactive sessions, and Sahayoga, wherein our parents pitch into the classroom to teach. Out of 153 working days till December, we had 88 mothers on duty. We thank all the mothers for their support and look forward to even more involvement in the future. Yes, it's time to thank the captain of the ship, our director ma'am, for her visionary leadership, constant support, and inspiring guidance. As we move forward, we aim to nurture the curious minds, caring hearts, and the strong leaders guiding our students towards a meaningful and purposeful life. Let us all work together to make Vishwa Vidyapeeth a place where the tradition blends with innovation. We have our future showcased on the screen. Thank you, parents.
The truest way to discover your purpose is through the selfless service of others, said Mahatma Gandhi. This evening, we honor the remarkable achievements of our grade 10 students, a shining reflection of their unwavering dedication, resilience, and hard work. Now I request Pradeep sir, Senior Coordinator, to call grade 10 students. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Adya. A warm good evening, everyone. Good evening. Academic success is not just about the high scores. It is about the journey, the learning, and the growth that happens along the way. Behind every successful student stands a team of inspired teachers and supportive parents. Dear teachers, your tireless efforts in nurturing young minds and inspiring them to reach their heights have come true. Dear parents, your encouragement and unwavering belief in your children's abilities have been pivotal in their journey. It is with immense pleasure and pride that I stand here today to announce the outstanding academic performers and being among the top 0.1% of successful candidates in the board examination 2023-24. Now I would call upon our Honorable Director, Vishwavidyapeeth Group of Schools, Ms. Sushila Santosh Ma'am, and the chief guest of today, Shri Muddu Mohan Sir, to do the honors. Please come on stage, sir and ma'am. Please join us on stage, Master Dheeraj Reddy, GR, the topper of ICSE Grade 10 Examination 2023-24, with an excellent academic record of 99.2% and outstanding performance in various subjects like English, History, Civics, Geography, and Computer Application. Please come on stage. Give him a big round of applause. Now I call upon Master Sasmit P. Patel for his outstanding performance in computer applications. Sasmit, please come on stage. I invite on stage Master Sri Badran Sriram for his exceptional performance in computer applications. I invite Master Sushil Hegde for his outstanding efforts in computer applications as well. Give them a big round of applause. Now I would call upon Ms. Shweta Reddy for outstanding achievement in commercial studies. I would request the parents of Shweta Reddy to receive the honors. Ms. Harshika Maurya, please come on stage. Her exceptional performance in commercial studies. Give her a big round of applause. Please come on stage, Ms. Bhavanai Kote, to receive the honor for her remarkable achievement in second language, Kannada. I invite Ms. Hasini Reddy Bandi on stage to receive the honor for her outstanding efforts in physical education. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir, for honoring our students. Dear students, today you remind us all the power of focus and determination. Your achievements are not only a source of pride for your families and friends, it is also an inspiration for the peer group. Congratulations to one and all, every student who achieved and being part of 0.1% of CSE successful candidates. Keep striving and keep learning. Thank you very much.
With the formal proceedings complete, it's time to immerse ourselves in the soul of this evening, the cultural program.
As Rabindranath Tagore said, you can't cross the sea merely by standing and staring at the water. Let us embark on a journey of creativity, tradition, and history, presented by our talented students.
We begin with the inaugural dance, a heartfelt invocation of the Almighty's blessings. Parents, we invite you to turn your attention to the screen, where the slideshow of cherished moments from the school's inception will be displayed.
I request parents to encourage them.
ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ನಾಳೆಗಳ ದಾರಿಯಲೇ ನಂಬಿಕೆಯ ನೆಲೆಯಾಗಿರಿಸು ಮುನ್ನಡೆಸು ಕೈ ಹಿಡಿದು ನಾವಾಡೋ ಪದ ಪದದಲ್ಲೂ ಸಂಚರಿಸು ಹೂವಲ್ಲಿ ಜೇನು ಗುಳಿ ಕಟ್ಟದೇನು ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನು ಅಡಿ ಮುಟ್ಟರೇನು ಆ ದೈವದಾಜ್ಞೆನೇ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ ದಯ ಪಾಲಿಸು ಈ ಬಾಳನು ಬೆಳಕಾಗಿಸು ಹೇ ಶಾರದೆ
Every great story has a humble beginning, and ours lies in the history of our campuses.
As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, a dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. Let us now unfold the events of Itihasa Charitam.
Itihasa Charita is a treasure trove of timeless tales, revealing the roots of our identity and the seeds of our future. It carries the wisdom of our ancestors, guiding us to navigate life with purpose and clarity. Each chapter inspires us to honor our heritage while shaping a progressive tomorrow. In the essence of Itihasa Charita lies the power to connect generations through values and vision. Itihasa Charita, Itihasa Charita.
What are you reading? Sorry, but I was curious about Vikramshila, Takshashila, and Magadha, names of our campuses, and got engrossed in their history. Wow, that sounds interesting. So, what did you learn? They have an awe-inspiring story, but for a better understanding of these acclaimed universities, let's dust the sand from the pages of history and meet their founders. So, first, shall we meet King Dharmapala, the founder of Vikramshila University? Yes, why not? I am worried about the declining standards of Nalanda University and have decided to establish a new teaching and learning center. What shall we name it? Vikramshila. Vikram means bravery and Shila means stone. It will make a base of strong educational foundation, bring Buddhist learnings to far-off places, philosophy, tantra, logic, grammar, and other disciplines will be taught here. My king, that is an excellent idea. Situated in Bhagalpur, Bihar, the new university will be revered by generations to come. This will be Pala dynasty's greatest achievement. It will have clearly delineated hierarchy than other Mahaviharas. It will have an abbot, a daksha. More than 200 teachers will teach around 1,000 bhikshus or resident monks. This was an informative experience. He will be so happy to know that learned scholars will be associated with Vikramshila in future. Tisha Dipankara, a renowned Buddhist teacher and scholar, Vasubandhu, a Buddhist philosopher, and Vidya Kokila, a distinguished scholar of logic and philosophy, were associated with Vikramshila. Not only this, our Vishwavidyapit's original campus is named after Vikramshila University. Yes, to pay tribute to this university and follow its footsteps and become a temple of learning for the youth of our country. Now let's pay tribute to the Para dynasty with our next dance performance.
cheer for our performers. What an enthralling performance! This has been an enlightening experience. Now I'm eager to learn more about Takshashila University. Tathastu. I am going to name the city and open a university in your name, son. You will be the first ruler of the city. The name of the city, Taksha, means rock of Taksha. I am grateful, Father. Takshashila will become a beacon of learning. It will be a center for Gurukula system of Brahmanical education. We would focus on medicine, Vedic science and arts. After a few years, Father, you would be happy to know the first recitation of Mahabharata is happening at our university. That's great news, son. Over the years, Takshila will grow as the center of learning for generations to come. This is why our ICSC campus is known as Takshashila. Yes, like Takshashila, ICSC is a pioneer of Gurukula system of teaching in modern times. Do you know Chandragupta Maurya Charaka, the Ayurvedic healer, studied in Takshashila? Our next performance is dedicated to this great university.
भो शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो 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 गंगाधर शंकर करुणाकर मामव भवसागर तारक गंगाधर शंकर करुणाकर मामव भवसागर तारक भो शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो भो शंभो शिव शंभो स्वयंभो निर्गुण परब्रह्म स्वरूप गम गम भूत प्रपंच रहित निर्गुण परब्रह्म स्वरूप गम गम भूत प्रपंच रहित निर्गुण परब्रह्म स्वरूप गम गम भूत प्रपंच रहित निज गुह निहित नितांत अनंत निज गुह निहित नितांत अनंत आनंद अतिशय अक्षय लिंग निज गुह निहित नितांत अनंत आनंद अतिशय अक्षयलिङ्ग भो शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयम्भो भो शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयम्भो धिमित धिमित धिमि धिमि किट किट तोम तोम तरि किट किट तोम धिमित धिमित धिमि धिमि किट किट तोम 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 तरि किट किट तोम मतंग मुनिवर वंदित ईशा सर्वदिगंबर वेष्टित वेशा नित्य निरंजन नित्य नटेशा भो शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयम्भो 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 भो शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयम्भो
What a mesmerizing performance. A huge round of applause for our VVPNs. Now, I want to know more about Nalanda University. For that, let's once again indulge in reminiscence and meet Emperor Kumaragupta of Gupta dynasty. Nalanda University has become the pride of Magadha Empire. Aryabhat, you are a crown jewel by discovering zero and teaching at our university. You have enhanced our glory.
You're too kind, my king. It is because of your foresight that subjects like Ayurveda, mathematics, grammar, astronomy, and Indian philosophy are flourishing in our university. Our library, Dharma Gunj, or the Mountain of Truth, is a rich repository of Buddhist knowledge.
Yes, where the scholars from Korea, Japan, China, Mongolia are studying in our university. My dream of making this university a temple of learning has been fulfilled. He would be so happy to know that Nalanda University and Magadha Empire have become synonymous with excellence in education and is UNESCO World Heritage Site too. Correct. And our third campus is named after Magadha Empire to appreciate their contribution to education. Now let's enjoy this dance performance dedicated to Magadha Empire.
களவாணிகள் பாடி கார்கரி வேணிகளாய்
തഞ്ചി കുഞ്ചിക്കോ മുന്തിരി മുത്തൊളി ചിന്തിക്കോ മഞ്ചണി വർണ്ണ ചുന്ദരി വാവേ തങ്കുന്നക്ക തകതിമിയാടും തങ്കനിലാവേ ഹോയ് പുഞ്ചിരി തഞ്ചി കുഞ്ചിക്കോ മുന്തിരി മുത്തൊളി ചിന്തിക്കോ മഞ്ചണി വർണ്ണ ചുന്ദരി വാവേ തങ്കുന്നക്ക തകതിമിയാടും തങ്കനിലാവേ
After this fabulous performance, let's hear what first graders want to share with you about their school experience. We hope you enjoyed discovering the story behind the names of our various campuses as much as we enjoyed bringing it to life for you.
We, the students of grade 1, began our beautiful journey at Vishwa Vidyapeeth this year. It has been nothing short of breathtaking so far. We still vividly remember the day we stepped into this vibrant campus, wide-eyed and fresh from preschool.
Navigating this new world of grade 1 hasn't been easy, but our teachers have been there every step of the way, holding our hands and guiding us as we explore, learn and grow. Grade 1 is a big leap for us. Did you know we learn to eat our meals on our own with our friends? We make sure not to waste a single grain because we understand the importance of valuing the food we are fortunate to receive. We have also learned to recite shlokas from the Gita during our school assemblies alongside our seniors, a tradition we cherish. Swimming classes have helped some of us conquer our fear of water, and now we can float with ease. Taekwondo has taught us self-defense, and yoga is helping us build holistic health. Skating, while challenging at first, is a fun activity where most of us can glide confidently or at least not fall too much. Public speaking sessions have turned us into confident speakers, ready to express ourselves with pride, and all of this is just part of our weekly routine alongside our academic subjects. Every moment at Vishwa Vidyapeeth is an exciting adventure, and we cherish every second of it. Stay tuned for our next performance, which will be a true celebration of the joy we experience every day in school, Kedin.
Yeah. Hey. Yo, listen up now, school's out, hear the bell ring. I'ma do my thing, I'ma be rich, dressed in bling. I'ma spread fish, can't make you sing. School's out, hear the bell ring. I'ma do my thing, I'ma be rich, dressed in bling. I'ma spread fish, can't make you sing.
कोई आंखों में जो मीठे मीठे सपने क्या ये दिल करे पहले पहले दिन की ये नई नई सुबह आओ चल करे हमको चबाते जाए सबको बताते जाए अपनी हसरतें यार मत भूले जगह है ये बड़ी फूल सुनो सुनो जरा लेट मी से भूलेंगे हम तो नहीं सोचेंगे हम भी कभी सुन के ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना 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 सीखेंगे हम ये यही है क्या गलत क्या सही सुन के ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना 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 आएंगे ना आएंगे ना
Hear the bell ring, tera kya hoga? I'ma do my thing. I'ma be rich, dressed in bling. I'ma spread ishq and make you sing. School's out, hear the bell ring, tera kya hoga? I'ma do my thing. I'ma be rich, dressed in bling. I'ma spread ishq and make you sing.
Theory में कमजोर है practical champion तोड़ दे हम दीवारों को है बोन्स में कैल्शियम पढ़ने से जो हो ना हो टीचर से प्यार हो फ्यूचर हो रास्ते पे आंखों में स्टार्स हो दरबार घर छोड़े जो भी मिले उसे छेड़े मस्ती में चले कीड़े बाने खाने लगे ऐसे क्यों किताबों को चश्मे लग गए साइंस पढ़े आर्ट्स पढ़े गिनी पढ़े हाथ पढ़े कुछ भी ना पढ़े सर पे जो डंडे सिलेबस गंदे फिर भी हम कहें भूलेंगे हम तो नहीं सोचेंगे हम भी कभी सुनने के ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना 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 सीखेंगे हम ये यही है क्या गलत क्या सही सुनने के ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना 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 आएंगे ना आएंगे ना
From the towering Himalayas to the vast oceans, India is a vibrant tapestry of cultures.
As Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru once said, India is not a country. It is a country of 100 nations and 100 cultures. Let's delve into this richness through our grade 2 presentation.
At Vishwa Vidyapeeth, we take pride in celebrating the rich diversity of our nation, where people from all regions and backgrounds come together in harmony, embodying the spirit of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is one family. Now, let us embark on a journey to explore the vibrant itihas and heritage of some renowned places from north, east, west and south of India.
Hello everyone. Wasn't the heritage work from the school amazing? We got to see places from all parts of India, north, east, west, and south.
Absolutely. My group went to the Golden Temple in Amritsar, up in the north. It's such a sacred place for Sikhs. The golden structure surrounded by the holy Amrit Sarovar lake looks so serene. We learned that it was built by Guru Arjan Dev Ji in the 16th century. And of course, the langar serve free meals to people of all religions. It is the largest community kitchen in the world.
की मेरे वतन की थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की थोड़ी सी खुशबू बाराई से मस्त पवन की थोड़ी सी धौंकने वाली दग 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 सांसें जिनमें हो जुनू जुनू वो बूंदे लाल लहू की ये सब तू मिला मिला ले फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले ये सब तू मिला मिला ले फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले और मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती यारा मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती मोहे 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 रंग दे बसंती बसंती रंग दे बसंती मोहे रंग दे बसंती बसंती रंग दे बसंती बस्ती रंग दे हस्ती रंग दे हंस हंस रंग दे नस नस रंग दे बचपन रंग दे चौबन रंग दे अब देर न कर सचमुच रंग दे रंगरेज मेरे सब कुछ रंग दे मोहे मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती यारा मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की थोड़ी सी खुशबू बाराई से मस्त पवन की थोड़ी सी धौंकने वाली धक 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 सांसें जिनमें हो जुनू जुनू वो बूंदे लाल लहू की ये सब तू मिला मिला ले फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले मोहे मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती यारा मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती मोहे मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती मोहे मोहे तू रंग दे बसंती मोहे रंग दे बसंती बसंती रंग दे बसंती बसंती रंग दे बसंती बसंती रंग दे बसंती मोहे रंग दे बसंती बसंती रंग दे बसंती मोहे रंग दे बसंती बसंती रंग दे बसंती बसंती रंग दे बसंती बसंती मोहे रंग दे बसंती रंग दे बसंती रंग दे बसंती यार
Wow, Atharv, that's so inspiring. My group went to the Kali Mandir in Kolkata, which is in the eastern part of India. It is one of the oldest and most important temples in the region. The intricate stone carvings and the aura of devotion there were truly unforgettable. The temple is said to have been built during the Pala dynasty, and the goddess Kali is worshipped with so much love and reverence.
বাজা কাসর বাজা উলু দে আর শাখ বাজা বছর পরে আবার এলো মাঝে
Shrivika, our group visited Amber Palace in Jaipur, Rajasthan, which is in the west. It's like a dream of royal grandeur. The palace is a perfect blend of Rajput and Mughal architecture. We explored the Sheesh Mahal, where mirrors reflect even the tiniest ray of light, and learned about how Maharajas used to live there. The views of the Mayota Lake from the palace was just breathtaking.